Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world so that you have inner peace, renewed hope, and greater happiness. You know, I keep talking about the APB, being able to gain awareness, to pause, and to breathe. And that's usually because our minds are going in a million different directions. We've got like 40 to 50,000 thoughts racing through our minds again and again. And so it's like horses that the gate has been left open for. Not only does one get out, but the whole bunch get out. And then we shut the gate. You see, we need to pause when we feel our mind racing like that wild Mustang mind. To pause, to just stop for a moment and take a breath. And to realize in that awareness that when we stop and we pause, that we can now choose a new direction rather than letting that anxiety and that wild Mustang mind run away with us. So remember, the greatest way to find that inner harmony is by creating the APB. And then you can stop the wild Mustang mind. Find that peace of inner peace and pause for the harmony from within. And in the neural mind shift, you're shifting your mind from the chaos to that of inner harmony and inner peace, greater hope. And remember, there's a greatness that lies within you. Be sure to tap into that every day. Take care and many blessings.